Next up, we're going to be adding some plugins. So let's just go to the plugins section here. And first off, let's delete the Hello Dolly plugin because it's just about completely worthless to us. And then let's activate the Akismet plugin. You can see we've activated it and it's saying that it's not going to work until we get an API key, right? So let's click on that, and you can get an API key from akismet.com if you don't already have one. If you do already have one, you just enter it in right here. And then you click update options. And what happens is, there we go, it's working good. We'll go back to the plugin sections. But Akismet basically helps you eliminate spam comments, which is awesome. So I recommend that you always have that running. Next up, let's add some, we got two more plugins that we're going to be adding. First one is custom sidebars, which is going to, just as it sounds, allow us to create custom sidebars. So let's see, it's right here. And what this is going to do is allow us to have different set of navigation depending on where the user is on the site. So if they're on the front page, they'll see different navigation than if they are on the Selling in 60 Minutes part of the site, or if they're on the Make Your Blog Awesome part of the site, right? So let's just activate this plugin real quickly. And now let's go ahead and download the second plugin, which is the Facebook Comments for WordPress plugins. So we're just going to type in Facebook Comments, search, and that should bring it up, I think. Alright, so Facebook Comments for WordPress. We're going to install now. Okay. And activate plugin. Alright, so now we've got all of our plugins installed. The next step is we need to go through and do the settings for these two plugins. You can see right here that the Facebook Comments isn't going to work until we get a valid application ID. So we'll do that in a second, but first off, let's go ahead and do the settings, and let's go create some custom sidebars. So we're going to go into Appearance, Custom Sidebars, and then we are going to, you see here that the primary widget area is selected. We're going to save changes because that's saying that we can add custom sidebars to substitute the primary widget area. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create two custom sidebars. The first one is going to be, let's just call it front page. There we go. And we'll just put it there too. Create sidebar. Alright, so the second custom sidebar we're going to create is going to be, let's call it Selling in 60. Oops. There we go. Create sidebar. And let's see if it'll, alright, so it's good to go. Let's just edit that real quick. There we go. Awesome. So we've created our custom sidebars, and I'm going to show you how to implement those custom sidebars on the different parts of the site here in a little while. But first off, let's go and do the settings for the Facebook Comments. As you can see here, we need our application ID and we need our application secrets. So I'm just going to open right here the Facebook Applications page in a new window. You see here we're going to need to log in, so log in right there. And there we go. So I have no apps created yet on this account, so I'm going to go ahead and just create one. I'm going to call it Selling in 60 Minutes. And I'm going to click that I agree. And amplified. I hate these things, but they're required, so let's hope that it works the first go around. Oh, nice. Awesome. So here we go. We've created our application. Now we just need to get the information. We're going to come to the website section and copy and paste our application ID right here. We'll come back over here, paste it in, come back, copy the secret key, paste it in right here, and then let's just go through these options really quick. First off, you can see right here, hide WordPress comments on post pages where Facebook commenting is enabled. That's awesome because we don't want to show the WordPress comments and the Facebook comments. We just want to do one or the other. So we're going to select that option. Then we're going to deselect this option because we do not want to get our email flooded with emails telling us we have comments every time somebody comments on our blog, right? That can get messy really quick. So then we're going to come down here and display the Facebook comments title. We're going to disable that because it looks kind of crappy. The title that they show doesn't look very good. So we're going to disable that and come down here and click Update Options. Alright, we can close this page. Now, you can see right now, this is what the page or post looks like with comments, with WordPress comments. But we're going to refresh it now that we have Facebook comments enabled. And you can see right here, this is what the Facebook comments look like. So I'm logged in already, so I'll just go ahead and I'm going to deselect that because I don't want to add this bogus comment to my Facebook account. But we'll click Post, and there we go. So working beautifully. Now let's go back to the settings, and I believe we are all done with the Facebook comments for WordPress settings. Now the next step is we are going to do the widgets for the navigation of our site.